Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration I'm going to show you how to install the People plugin on a Bitnami stack that is installed on a Linux operating system. So the very first thing is that you have to open your Bitnami stack, and it is done via the manager Linux run file. So you have to just double click on it, and then here you have to start all the processes. These are the database and the server. Okay, so our Bitnami stack is now started. Let's go and try to see. So we wait a little bit because it is loading now. It is starting for the first time, so let's take some time. Okay, so our Redmine is now started. So here is our current plugins list, and now we are going to install the People plugin. So the first thing is that you have to go into your license manager and download the very latest version of the People plugin. However, you could also use the light free version of the plugin. For this situation, you have to go to our site, that is RedmineUP.com, and then go to plugins and then search for People. So here you have to click on download and then here. So when you set your email address here, the light free version of the People plugin is going to be sent automatically and instantly on your email. I would like to let you know that the steps for installation of the light free version as well as the pro are actually the same steps. So the very first step is to extract your archive and then go into the inner folder and then copy this one, that is redmine/people. Then you have to go into your core Redmine folder, which in our case is Redmine 4117, and then go to the apps and then Redmine and then htdocs and then plugins, and here you have to paste it. Okay, so the next thing is that you have to open your command line and then navigate to your core Redmine folder again. Okay, so in the core Redmine folder here you have to run the use Redmine file, which is done with /use Redmine. So we are now into Redmine. So we have to navigate now to your core folder and then apps, Redmine, htdocs. Okay, so here the first command that you have to do is bundle install. This command is going to install the all required gems for the People plugin. Okay. So the next one is the migration. Here the important thing is that into the name section you have to put the name of your plugin you are trying to install, which in our situation is the RedmineUP People plugin. And you just click on enter. We wait a little bit. So we see that the migration is now successfully done. And the very last thing is that we have to restart our processes here. So we click on the restart all button, and the database as well as the web server are going to be restarted. So we wait a little bit, and done, we have restarted Bitnami stack. So we just refresh our page now and wait a little bit because it also takes some time for the restarting. and the restarting is done. We see that the RedmineUP People is successfully installed on our Bitnami stack on Linux operating system. So we are done with our job. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.